Remember to say trick or treat.
Trick or treat.
Wait till they open.
Trick or treat.
Hi! Trick or treat! You take a few. You guys look so good. Do you want a hand? Oh, you got it.
I'm gonna take it though.
Yep.
Okay.
Not too many.
Carson, can you tell Jen a joke?
Why did the
He scared me there for a second. I thought there was a monster in the house. Let's see if we can get a picture here.
First couple houses said, "What a CUTE monster." He said, "I'm not CUTE monster."
Oh.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, look up here.
Look at Jim.
Look at Jim. Look at Jim.
Oh, that's a good one.
Can you guys tell Jim and Jen a joke?
why did the Halloween pumpkin cross the door?
Why?
Because he was trying to get to his friend Carson.
Every house gets a brand new joke.
Oh.
That's great. You guys